Welcome back, guys, to another Savage Brothers skiing video. Today's video is a little bit shorter than normal, but I hope you guys really enjoy it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. The channel's growing pretty fast, so thank you guys for all your support out there. Keep up the good work. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and once again, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to help out the channel. It really means a lot to me, guys, so thank you for all your support, and we'll see you in next week's video. Bye!